reported.
Okay.
And we have the threat of flooding. That's it. I mean, snow, sleet, freezing rain, hail, tornadoes, straight line winds, and flash flooding. All modes of bad weather are in the forecast for the state of Texas as we head through the next 48 hours.
And now happening at night. Flooding, you know, because that's our biggest concern overall for this entire weekend.
Matter of fact, the coats might be a blessing.
Big picture, flooding is our biggest concern. And obviously, flooding at any time of day is problematic.
This is probably the silliest thing we've done in a long time.
We ain't gonna fit in here.
Yes, we are.
And I've just turned the lightning back on just so people can see.